How much does an electrician make in Belize? On average, an electrician in Belize earns around 6,700 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary. But after tax, you bring home about $6,000, which leaves you with roughly $500 every month. While those national numbers give you a basic idea, electrician salary in Belize goes up in bigger urban areas. So in Belize City, you can take home around $7,100 after tax. Pay is usually higher there, but everyday expenses cost more in the city, so living outside can actually save you money. New workers start well below these numbers, but early experience brings quick raises before wages plateau. That is why getting higher education helps you advance, because it moves you into better jobs like master technician or site manager. On top of that, learning specialized skills will boost your electrician income even further.